Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make frame light art. To begin your illuminated art project, select a sturdy picture frame, ideally a shadow box which offers depth for the lights. You will need flexible LED strip lights, a compatible power source, and a backing material such as foam board or hardboard. Don't forget your chosen artwork, whether it's a printed image or a unique design. Essential tools include scissors, a ruler, a pencil, and a strong adhesive like wood, glue, or tape. Next, prepare your frame for illumination. First, clean the glass and interior surfaces to ensure your art shines brightly. Then, for optimal light reflection, attach a piece of aluminum foil with the matte side facing upwards onto the inner back wall of your picture frame. Carefully adhere the LED strip lights along the inside perimeter of the frame, ensuring they are evenly spaced. Remember to thread the light strip's power cable through a discreet opening in the frame's backing. Now for the creative heart of your project, the art itself. Many light art pieces use multiple layers, often with cutouts to create depth. Print your design, perhaps with a line art layer, a colored photo, and a shadow image. Place a thin sheet of tracing paper or 24-pound copy paper in front of your main artwork to diffuse the light evenly. Carefully align and secure each layer within the frame, using small pieces of tape or glue dots. You can also add small spacers, like 3/8-inch nuts, between layers for a more pronounced three-dimensional effect. For the final steps, carefully reassemble your frame, making sure all your art layers are perfectly aligned and secure. Connect your LED lights to their power source, whether it's a battery pack requiring 3 AA batteries or a 12-volt power adapter. You can discreetly attach the battery pack to the back of the frame using glue dots or tape. Once everything is connected and tested, your unique frame light art is ready to be displayed. Hang it on a wall or place it on a shelf to illuminate your space with its captivating glow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.